So, Osian, when you came to see the alarm at the gathering, did you have any idea about what was going to happen after the show?
No, not really. We walked out and obviously there's people outside asking, oh, do you want to do a swab, do you want to sign up? So my mum and dad did, and I thought, I may as well do it. And then, so 6 years after, I had the match and it all went through and I had to go down to London and do the stem cell donation.
Because a lot of people think that going through a donation is painful and takes a lot of time out of your life, but it's actually...
No, the day I did the donation, I was out with my mate, celebrating, so no, it was fine.
That's brilliant. For me as a musician to know that we've put on a concert and performed, and then you've been to see the band play, and then on the way out of the concert you've signed up to the Get on the List campaign, to know that a rock concert has helped save somebody's life, and we couldn't have done that without someone like yourself who's taken that step.
You're saving someone's life, you know what I mean?
That's right.
So I'd advise anyone to do it.
And now we're at the studio recording the song Love, Hope, Strength with your father. How does it feel to be performing with your dad?
Yeah, I know, it's mad. I never thought I'd actually do this, but no, it's been nice and it's been mixed emotions. And obviously, I hope this song brings a lot more of attention to Love, Hope, Strength and get the cause out there.
Yes! Swnio dda. Sounds brilliant.
Da iawn.
Yn diwir, mae'n wych sut mae cerddoriaeth wedi gallu achub bywydau trwy elusen maic. Heb fwy o aros felly, dyma Cariad Gobaith a Nerth, hefo 2 arwr i mi. Osian fy mab a Mike Peters.
Cariad Gobaith a Nerth, Cariad Gobaith a Nerth, I gario mlaen. Cariad Gobaith a Nerth, Cariad Gobaith a Nerth, I gario mlaen. Coridorau plaen, dallu'r golau gwyn, a breuddwydion gwag pan mae'r nos yn hir. Heibio clic, 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 y peiriannau dir. Nes gafael yn y law yn dyn. Cariad Gobaith a Nerth, Cariad Gobaith a Nerth, I gario mlaen. Cariad Gobaith a Nerth, Cariad Gobaith a Nerth, I gario mlaen. Pan dwi'n deall dim, dwi'm yn gwybod pam, dwi'm yn gwybod beth, rwy ti yna i mi. Ti yw fy nhraig, rwy ti'n arwain y ffordd, law yn llaw yn dyn. Cariad Gobaith a Nerth, Cariad Gobaith a Nerth, I gario mlaen. Cariad Gobaith a Nerth, Cariad Gobaith a Nerth, I gario mlaen.
Been real pleasure and a privilege to sing with Rhys. He's been amazing, and have his son here, part of his family, and it's been a magical afternoon, and I think we've all achieved what we set out to do, and that was create some love, hope and strength. Cariad Gobaith Nerth.